Generally, if there are creditors of the estate, you will file some type of administration in order to determine who the creditors are, whether their claims are valid, and arrange for payment of those valid claims. If there are no creditors of the estate, in that situation, you can file an application for amendment of title, which is a speedier process. It's more efficient and streamlined, and it's less costly than an administration. Also, with an affidavit of heirship, you will be executing an affidavit stating who the decedent's heirs are, what property that the decedent owned, and you will need two witnesses who have knowledge of the decedent's estate and family who can sign the affidavit stating that the information contained in it is true and correct. That affidavit may be filed with the deed records in the county where the decedent's property is located. Technically, that affidavit is not effective until it's been on file with the deed records for 5 years. However, most title companies in the state of Texas will recognize an affidavit of heirship to pass title.